This was my mobile phone. But things went wrong and I had to replace the LCD screen. Let's see how I did it. After removing the back cover, we see that there is 11 screws that needs to be unscrewed. With a guitar pick, we are going to remove the side cover. We begin by removing this small protector. Then we have to disconnect 8 flex cables from the motherboard. By unscrewing this side screw, we can easily remove all the motherboard. Now, with little caution, we can remove the charging board and the speaker. After that, we place the old and the new screen side by side. At this adjustment, we can easily remove one part from the old one and add it to the new one. We placed the new LCD, the part that we removed first. That is the charging board and the speaker. We continue the same with the antenna. My old LCD had these stickers. I thought it was a good idea to transfer it to the new one. We connect the antenna and then we screw the protector. This is another speaker that needs to be removed. We do the same with the up and down volume buttons. The next thing is to transfer the headset jack. This comes together with the earpiece speaker. The front-facing camera, and because you are going to ask, the main camera is on the motherboard. We also transfer this cute S Pen protector. The outdoor sound sensor. And why not the original sticker that the old device has? Time for the assembly. We put back together the motherboard. We connect all the flex cables. We put back the side cover. And finally, we screw back the screws, we place the battery and put the back cover. We remove this lovely silicone screen protector and we test the device. Yes, it's alive! That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye!